Hello again, and this is my second stop out of 3. So there's a ramp back and through the gate. I have a Estes that's still waiting to depart. Come on, seriously? Can't go much further than that. Okay, stick with me. Cleared the vehicles with the trailer swing. Now I'm going to be going through that gate. Another fun, easy day. Want to get the tail over a little bit more. And you notice I'm doing small corrections with the steering wheel. Sure I clear the gate. This gentleman was pretty nice. Nikes. I don't know why they line all this stuff up over here. Go open the doors. Is there any way we can move this tractor?
Well, you can get over this way, be fine if you want.
Oh,
you want to move some, you don't gotta.
Okay.
That will move, we can kind of square it. You can just come straight right here.
Okay.
That'd be best. That way they'll keep you off the snow. There's still a lot of ice in it.
Yeah, brand new.
Yep.
Yeah, coming up through Arkansas on US 65, it was sketcy.
Yeah.
It's windy, hilly. I'll make the adjustments as recommended. Which is a good thing for me. And again, small little corrections with the steering wheel. And you saw the trailer nose kick right there. And that's a dock. Woo! Tell me you guys want to have fun trying to put a tractor trailer back here like I just did. That's a wrap. See you, bye.